Hi, this is Dr. Shannon, and today we're going to talk about neck hump, also called as buffalo hump, also called text neck syndrome. It occurs because of too much of texting, laptop related work. I'm sure all of them are working from home, so too much of laptop related works can cause this neck hump to happen. It's deposition of fat at the base of your neck, lying here. It occurs mainly because of faulty postural use. Start with few exercises for this neck hump. Quick fix, okay? First exercise is Y. So stand in this position and take your arms backward. Hold that position for 15 seconds. 15 seconds, this position. Got that? Okay. Second exercise is W. This position, pull your arm backward. Hold it for 15 seconds. W. Got it? Okay. Third exercise is Y. In this angle, pull your hands backward. Again, hold it for 15 seconds. Get the angle? Okay. Cool. Got that? And the last exercise, fourth exercise, we are going to go for L. 90 degrees, pull your arms backward, hold it for 15 seconds and back. Got it? Fifth exercise. This is a very important exercise, and this is chin tuck. So tuck your chin back, hold this position for 15 seconds. This is chin tuck. This is chin tuck. Hold it for 15 seconds and relax. Now chin tuck is a very important exercise, and you have to do chin tuck while doing the Y, W, I and L exercises. So maintain chin tuck and do this exercise. Got it? So these are very important exercises and a quick fix for your neck hump. Easy pain relief, plus it will help reducing the fats on your neck. If you really like this exercise and it was of any help to you, please like, follow and subscribe to my channel, Dr.ForYou.